going to start the giveaway today. I was going to show y'all some stuff that possibly may be in the box. We're going to go through a few things. This is probably just half of what I got really to go through. So let's get started here. Alright. For the moment I'm going to use the old MTV Pro box for this. Got some new stuff I bought. Want to try to do some what do you call it, spy bait fishing. Pretty cool bait. Just bought it, good price too. But got a trash box here for some trash. Got a little bit of trash in here, stuff that's fell off. That's a good thing. This is something interesting I've not got to use yet. I think you might be able to put it into the back of a tube jig. Well, a tube like a coffee tube, and it'll leak out these shad scales. Something I want to try out. This is my bag of plastics that I really use. This is something I've been using too, actually. Z-Drops, green pumpkin. These are really good drop shop baits. We'll put a pack of those in there. These are some of my spinner baits I've got that I haven't used yet. There's another pack of, or another spinner bait. 3/8 1/2 ounce. Oh, that's different colors. Got me some trailer hooks for them. Some of those. Some more trash. Another spinnerbait. Entire drop shot set up there. Let's pop open one of these. Let's see what's in here. These are really good drop shot worms. There we go. There's a brand new pack TRD crawls. Throw them in there. Anything else we can possibly throw in? Something good to have, for sure. But like I said, I got a ton of stuff here, and I'm gonna go through it all and pick out some stuff that I think you guys might like. There's a few swim baits. I got all these. I got probably the same amount in the basement. I don't know what we can put. Where's it at? One of the best jigs ever. Kitech. It's a tungsten jig. Really good jig. We'll put that in there. And we will, let's see, which one do I want? We'll go ahead and put this in there. Sorry about the glare. Best spinner baits they are, in my opinion. More Eagle. Let's see what we got. We might find something, a little something in here. You guys that like to fish deep, this is brand new. I've never thrown it. It's even got dust on top of it. We'll add that bad boy. But I'm not going to go through it all. with you guys having to watch, I just want to show y'all a few things I was going to put in the box. I got a bunch of square bills, crankbaits downstairs I want to go through for sure for everyone, or for the lucky winner, that is. I mean, 99% of these are brand new. And they're not getting used. I mean, like that, it's starting to get a rust spot on it from sitting here so long, not even being used. Just some stuff that I would rather see get used than sit here and ruin. Another brand new Rapala Shad Rap deep diver. This is what I'm going to do. I'm sure you guys understand now. We'll go through every box I got and all the plastics and give it some way. We'll make a very nice little tackle box for somebody right here. But that's a glimpse of what will be in it. So to enter, we'll do the same as always. You guys just be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and drop the comment hashtag fishing giveaway. Yeah, we'll do that. Hashtag fishing giveaway. That will be what you need to comment on this video to get entered. And I'm going to go through some more baits and get one lucky person a really nice bait box. So stay tuned for the end of this one, guys. It's going to be a good one. Thanks for watching.